We are extremely happy that Income Tax Department has come and helped us in collecting some blood. It is the most important donation what anybody can give. I am really happy that such a department, government department, that to central government department, has really taken some time out from their busy schedule and coming here and helping us in blood donation drive. And I'm thankful to Dr. Dhaval also and then all the staff here who have come in a big number. I hope a lot of people will come out and donate blood. I think it's the ultimate donation.
Income Tax Department celebration, that is 159th celebration of Income Tax Day. We have started this social impact, many impact programs. One of them is blood donation. Apart from we have tree plantations and legal aid service will start in Aikar Bhavan for the senior citizens and other people who can easily file their e-file returns. That will start from 24th till 31st of the July. And I request all the citizens to take the benefit of that and file the e-returns. And one more important, we started a pledge in the college and schools for honest taxpayers, and that is told. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. On behalf of the Income Tax Department, I would request the citizens of Goa to come and donate blood today on 22nd July. We are celebrating our 159th Income Tax Day on 24th of July 2019, and we are organizing many events, social as well as cultural. This is the first event for this week, which is the blood donation campaign, where we have partnered with Manipal Hospitals. So I request all of you to come in large number, donate blood and be a hero.
Introduce yourself.
I am Rijula Unyal, Deputy Commissioner Income Tax, Panaji.